This is a very nice little straightening iron. It's very compact, as you can see. It comes with a nice little pouch for travel. It's easy to turn on and off. It heats up quickly. It's very smooth. It's like a ceramic and it's very smooth. It's easy on my hair. It slides very easily and it gets the job done. The only thing that I don't like about it is that these heated sides, if you set it down anywhere, you have to set it this way, and you have to find something to prop it up with to set it this way, because if you set it on its side, it will burn whatever's underneath it. So that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But I mean, that's minor. For the price and for the performance, I would definitely recommend it.